Welcome to Azerbaijan, a captivating country nestled between Europe and Asia, rich in history, culture, and natural beauty. From ancient architectural wonders to modern cities, lush landscapes to bustling bazaars, Azerbaijan offers a unique and diverse travel experience. This travel guide aims to provide you with essential information and recommendations to make the most of your visit to Azerbaijan. Best time to visit. Azerbaijan experiences a varied climate, but the best time to visit is during spring, April to June, and autumn, September to October, when the weather is pleasant and ideal for outdoor activities. Visa requirements. Most visitors to Azerbaijan require a visa. Check with the nearest Azerbaijani embassy or consulate for specific requirements based on your nationality. Electronic visas, e-visas, are available for many countries and can be obtained online before your trip. Transportation. By air, Heydar Aliyev International Airport in Baku is the main entry point for international travelers. It is well connected to major cities worldwide. By land, Azerbaijan shares borders with Russia, Georgia, Iran, and Armenia. You can enter by land from neighboring countries. Must-visit destinations. Baku, the capital city, known for its mix of modern and ancient architecture. Don't miss the iconic flame towers, the UNESCO-listed Old City, Echarishahey, and the magnificent Heydar Aliyev Center. Gobustan National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, famous for its ancient rock carvings and mud volcanoes. Sheki, a charming city surrounded by mountains, featuring a beautiful medieval palace, ancient mosques, and a bustling bazaar. Gabala, a resort town in the mountains, offering picturesque landscapes, ski resorts, and outdoor activities. Kuba, known for its stunning nature, including the scenic Aferdzi waterfall and the picturesque village of Zaynalek, known as the highest settlement in Azerbaijan. Cultural highlights. Cuisine. Try Azerbaijani dishes such as plov, pilaf, dolma, stuffed grape leaves, kebabs, and baklava. Don't forget to taste traditional tea served with local sweets. Carpet weaving. Azerbaijan is renowned for its intricate carpet weaving. Visit the Carpet Museum in Baku to learn about this ancient art form. Mugam music. Experience the mesmerizing sounds of traditional Azerbaijani music, particularly mugam, a unique vocal genre accompanied by traditional instruments. Outdoor activities. Hiking and nature exploration. Azerbaijan boasts stunning landscapes, including the Caucasus Mountains, Guygul National Park, and Shadag National Park, offering excellent opportunities for hiking, camping, and wildlife spotting. Caspian Sea coast. Enjoy the coastal resorts, beaches, and water sports along the beautiful Caspian Sea shoreline. Practical tips. Currency. The official currency is the Azerbaijani manat, AZN. Credit cards are widely accepted in major establishments, but it's advisable to carry cash for smaller vendors. Language. Azerbaijani is the official language. English is not widely spoken, particularly outside major cities, so learning a few basic phrases can be helpful. Safety. Azerbaijan is generally a safe country, but it's always recommended to take standard precautions and be aware of your surroundings. Shopping and souvenirs. Baku Boulevard. Explore the seaside promenade in Baku, lined with shops offering traditional crafts, carpets, souvenirs, and local artwork. Local markets. Visit Taza Bazaar and Samad Vurgun Street Market in Baku for a vibrant shopping experience. You'll find fresh produce, spices, traditional sweets, and handicrafts. Carpets and textiles. Azerbaijan is renowned for its intricate carpets and textiles. Look for authentic handmade carpets, traditional clothing, and silk scarves as unique souvenirs. Health and safety. Medical facilities. Baku has well-equipped medical facilities and hospitals. However, it's advisable to have travel insurance that covers medical expenses. Tap water. While tap water is generally safe to drink in Baku and major cities, It's recommended to drink bottled water or use a water purifier in more rural areas. Responsible tourism. Respect the environment. When exploring Azerbaijan's natural sites, practice responsible tourism by not littering and respecting the local flora and fauna. Support local businesses. Opt for local accommodations, restaurants, and tour operators to contribute to the local economy and support the livelihoods of residents. Remember to check the latest travel advisories and guidelines before your trip for any updated information. Enjoy your visit to Azerbaijan and immerse yourself in its vibrant culture, history, and natural wonders.